Unprecedented fortune legend. Wealth code which is the most suitable for human long-term sustainable development. Golden key to the code. Health asset. Dear fortune harvesters, welcome to the fortune world of Health Asset. Here we will go through the human evolution progress together and look from the fortune code which is the most suitable for human long-term sustainable development from previous experience. In what way does Health Asset help us unlock the fortune code and build an unprecedented fortune legend? Since the birth of mankind, they have always moved forward on the path of discovering fortune and creating fortune. Each person wants to become stronger. Next, I hope that you can have a deeper knowledge of the meaning and value of Health Asset through our introduction to Health Asset of Fortune Legend. The development of human society originates from demands. In other words, human development is conducted on the basis of health pursuit, and our Health Asset happens to be a project which is consistent with human pursuit. Health Asset. Everything comes from human demand for a healthy future, and all things will be generated to satisfy people's desire for a beautiful life. Health Asset is an extremely authoritative solution for joint progress with human development. Our Health Asset can be divided into two parts in structure, including Smart Health Check app and Digital Fortune. Smart Health Check app is an application in concept which is installed on smart devices such as mobile phones and used to connect with human body and transfer relevant data to the health system on it. Digital Fortune refers to an encrypted digital currency like other digital currencies named Mint. Health Asset comes from human demand for a healthy future, and all things about it will be generated to satisfy people's desire for beautiful life. It is an extremely authoritative solution for joint progress with human development. Health Asset is a brand new form of digital currency. It has gone beyond the model of most digital currencies and become a unique digital currency indicator. In recent years, with rapid development of digital currency and constant improvement of global recognition, its value has risen in a geometrically progressive way. Digital Fortune Mint in Health Asset goes with the times to perfectly combine health and digital currency and replaces most digital currencies in the form of movement and mining in front of computer, thus truly encouraging people to pay attention to their health. It stands out in the second generation of encrypted digital currencies. Despite of glories of the first generation of digital currencies, many basic algorithms gradually show their flaws and loopholes. However, Mint in Health Asset has now turned into a unique digital currency indicator because of its breaking the mining system of the first generation. Some shortcomings exist in the model of earning digital currency by mining, which makes digital currencies unable to have long-term sustainable development under the high-tech big data era. Health Asset has completely changed the flaw in mining algorithm and replaced the mining model with a brand new health algorithm concept, thus providing the best solution for digital currency development. Under such subverting development, Health Asset will be fully prepared to embrace the global big data era. We call such brand new model Subconsciousness Driving Force Plus, whose concept will be profoundly analyzed later. Health is fortune, which is the greatest thing about our Health Asset. In Health Asset, health can be used to get fortune, and it's the most rational fortune form for people to pursue sustainable development of fortune and health. Health Asset development trends. The future of Health Asset will be built into a global big data health training system of health fortune sharing and leave a heavy stroke in the course of human history development. We will start with some important basic knowledge. gradually learn about the global big data health training system of health fortune sharing, and further launch the future health asset journey. People will do it only when it has a value. First of all, let's learn about the opportunity and value of health asset. To know whether health asset is valuable or not, we must know what the measurement standard is and how its value is calculated. Value equals capital flowing into the market divided by product turnover on the market. Theoretically speaking, such way of value calculation can be used for any product. Let's skip details and talk about the big framework of value calculation only. In order to explain the issue, we can use Bitcoin of the first generation currency to analyze it. The value of Bitcoin skyrocketed in 2013, increasing to $620 from $25. The reason was that the mining output would reduce by half every 4 years. 4 years from its birth in 2009 to 2013. Simply speaking, before, 25 bitcoins could be gained within 10 minutes, and after it's reduced, it's only 12.5. At this time, miners would stop selling coins and the product turnover was reduced. Procurers would buy in to increase market cash flow, thus leading to rising value. Such principle directly gives rise to inability of Bitcoin's long-term sustainable development. Mint in Health Asset, a second generation of digital currency with brand new technology, has summarized the problems and experience of the last generation and cancelled the mining model with brand new health principles. Then, how does Health Asset create fortune and operate? First, we need to understand one concept in operation of Health Asset: subconsciousness driving force plus. Subconsciousness is common in psychology. It refers to the part of human body thinking which cannot be perceived by subjective will in all human psychology or mental activities. In other words, it's what's done by people in daily life, rather than decisions and behaviors made after subjective governance of the brain. Subconsciousness has two important features. First, it's spontaneity, and is based on your own will, which makes you to do one thing. Another is ignition ability. When we come across one thing, it can trigger our subconsciousness, and then we will take action. Health Asset has grasped features of subconscious activities through plenty of studies. Upgrades such theory into subconsciousness driving force plus philosophy, combines such brand new theory and Smart Health Check app. Solves the issue of Health Asset with subconsciousness, and then addresses the issue of app software with Health Asset. Such brand new model is unprecedented. The potential and value of such smart product system is immeasurable in future. Health Asset improvement and upgrading. What's the workload proof mechanism of Health Asset? What are advantages of the complete blockchain of Health Asset? Any digital currency cannot separate from quantity calculations with people and hours. In addition to simplification of other complicated calculations of currencies, Mint set up the quickest algorithm, Moving Cloud Transformation, MCT. MCT, based on favorable algorithms of the first generation, combines the most advanced internet cloud technology of the world, conducts a number of quality calculations among subconsciousness driving force plus, Mint and moving force plus, and completes transformation. With such efficient algorithm, MCT, our Health Asset needs a more improved workload-proof mechanism. Our Health Asset workload-proof mechanism is realized through the Smart Health Check app system. To learn about it, we need to learn about a new concept, Moving Force Plus. As mentioned above, we learn about that Health Asset doesn't adopt the mining model. Then, how does Health Asset conduct asset mining and collection? Then, we need the concept of moving force plus, which is a feasible proof method in the process from sub-health to health. In fact, the concept is quite simple and easy to understand. When our health asset operator installs a smart health check app, the app will record people's blood pressure, heartbeat, pulse and calories or heat consumption during exercise. These indicators are given a new name called health value, which comes from accurate data on everyday exercise. Daily exercise of human body will produce plenty of health value. The calculation of data such as blood pressure, heartbeat, pulse, calories or heat consumption in exercise is equal to POW complicated algorithm of other currencies. When health value is produced, the workload proof completion indicator will be obtained. Surely the process and concept sound simple by introduction, but the check and calculation behind it are quite complicated. It's all automatically completed by Health Asset through MCT. In the process, human body exercise is equal to mining. Each person's smart health check app can correspond to one person only, just like DNA. The process we stated above is the workload proof mechanism of Health Asset. We call it Exercise Capacity Workload, ECW. ECW is the best solution to replace mechanisms of other currencies, and is the latest mechanism of improving the basic agreement system in terms of loophole and authority. Nobody can randomly copy others' DNA and health value to monopolize. If somebody really does it, he will pay more than health value. Nobody will use more investment to gain less return. Health Asset, fundamentally speaking, is to solve the monopoly problem. Let more people have the opportunity to participate in Health Asset and motivate people to exercise. It's a considerably valuable and promising solution. We have another significant question mentioned above, moving force plus. Health value is one of important concepts constituting moving force plus. Another important concept that is part of the moving force plus is growth value. Health value is a string of characters composed of letters and digits, and will appear in pair with growth value after automatic generation, which form a data set. Growth value is simply the standard which echoes with health value. It's a lever of measuring and converting health value. The two can constitute moving force plus, which carries data and valuable information of health asset. As a matter of fact, subconsciousness driving force plus and moving force plus are complementary. The data carried by moving force plus is the achievement of subconscious driving force plus through human subconsciousness, which is conducive to health. These achievements are demonstrated by moving force plus in the form of data, thus converting into mint, which we want. In Health Asset, Mint has a set of most personalized free online financial management service system, which allows users to link multiple accounts with Health Asset account and can automatically update users' financial information while managing bank check, debit card, credit card, investments, loan, pension and other transactions as well as balance. Hence, Mint has fully upgraded the most extensive blockchain and other currencies and formed a more complicated system called Completely Blockchain, that is, CB. The CB technology in Health Asset has transcended existing virtual digital currency technology, added the service of interaction with real financial field based on currency technology, and laid the most solid and reliable foundation for Mint to fundamentally develop in the real financial field. Many currencies are designed into a P2P network. For Health Asset, Subconsciousness Driving Force Plus is the point output source which promotes and maintains Mint network. Mint has its special network point mechanism known as Health Node Certificate, HNC. It's linked with people to scatter nodes to the uttermost and establish a system of benign circulation. Health Asset, encryption algorithm, SHA 256. Way of proof: ECW plus HCS plus HNC. Block time: 0.8 minutes on average. Many digital currencies adopt SHA 256, which performs well with long-term and efficient algorithms, so Mint uses it as well. Computing Power ECW relies on computing power to guarantee network safety and pre-stage community support. Health Certificate System HCS scatters assets produced under the Computing Power Certificate, which is the manufacturing machine of node certificates. Node Certificate HNC links with people to the uttermost, lets nodes spread, and establishes a system of benign circulation. We use more improved proof to update and replace some problematic algorithms and certificates of the first generation of currencies, thus guaranteeing the value of health asset and best user experience. The total volume of health asset is 25 million, including health certificate of 20 million, system promotion of 3 million, and system interest of 2 million. Then, how are these assets generated and published? Computing Power ECW maintains pre-stage development through Moving Force Plus, which is equal to the mining machine in mining currency. Will be certified by Global Health Fortune Sharing Big Data Health Training System through ECW, thus locking each person and handing out a health asset source code. When people download the source code from the Smart Health Check app and run the app, corresponding Moving Force Plus data will be automatically generated in the app. Afterwards, it will link with personal exercise information to gain interest. More importantly, it can prompt you to harvest fortune while exercising. Such long-term exercise will launch the Health Certificate System HCS and Node Certificate HNC and set up a benign health circulation system. When people have Moving Force Plus, they can gain Mint through app and relevant transformation function, and then deposit Mint into their Health Asset Bank. In the Health Asset Bank, users can use Mint to invest and gain greater benefits. The interest introduced above is incremental reward, just like we deposit money in a real bank. It's a new model which will give users extra reward except transaction mining in other currencies. Health Asset enhances algorithms of other currencies, saves resources, and then returns to the users. In fact, our Health Asset has many more other advantages compared with other mining currencies. Health Asset is composed of human body health data. Human body exercise will bring about immense data increment every day. Even if users exercise less, data such as pulse, body temperature and heartbeat will produce a certain amount of health value. This is why Health Asset is deemed as an indemnificatory solution. At present, admiration for health is a common attention and pursuit of the world. We convert such subconscious demand into energy and build a smart health check app to make everyone pursue the health they want. Value demonstration of Health Asset, transcending other digital currencies, strong attraction, best appreciation potential, more convenient and time-saving payment, simple way of money-making, fashion and healthy experience, great participation, and more powerful security. What's the value demonstration and development space of Health Asset? Compared with other digital currencies, Health Asset lies in an internal desire for health. In future, its appreciation potential is huge. Health Asset app can be installed on smart devices such as mobile phones and can be used in varied activities such as jogging, ball playing, workout and dance. It only takes 0.8 minutes to convert, which is really surprising. Everyone who uses it can earn money in the simplest way. Earning health and fortune through exercise makes it participatory for everyone. Do you still remember that fortune calculation formula? Value equals capital flowing into the market divided by product turnover on the market. Everyone can participate in Health Asset. In this way, capital flow will increase steadily, so capital flowing into the market will take on an upward trend. When everyone has a health asset, there will be plenty of original capital investments and transaction behaviors, thus enhancing product turnover on the market and realizing the ultimate purpose of value creation. These are just rise in the natural property of health asset. In addition, health asset will increase in value as well. Human health is fortune which cannot be bought by money. No investment product can hold a candle to it. When our physical status reaches the healthiest level, it will be the greatest fortune of our life. With a healthy body, we can enjoy a better life. Then, what will health asset create in the process? We are building a global health development concept to let factors causing sub-health in social development degrade. It's healthy value-added development effect, which health asset tries to achieve. What's the ultimate goal and effect of health asset? Through introduction above, I believe you all have certain knowledge of health asset and are interested to join in the operation of health asset. Everyone wants to know what on earth health asset will develop into in future. Health asset creates more fortune, yet where will such fortune be used? Next, we will talk about in detail the global big data health training system of fortune sharing. We all know other currencies will charge a certain handling fee for transactions to use them on third-party platforms which can only use such fees to maintain and guarantee transaction operation and maintenance. In other words, those fees actually won't create new value. The ultimate goal of our health asset system is to set up a global big data health training system of fortune sharing. In our system, we don't charge any fee. However, we have a public balance mechanism of regular sharing. Then, how does the mechanism operate? In our system, information and transaction data are transparent. Each person participating in it can learn about fortune information of the entire health training system. We will set a time node. For example, we will share health fortune stories every 5 months. It's the most basic agreement which is established when health asset is set up. The shared fortune sum is extracted on a minor base according to each person's health asset quality. It's an extremely reasonable improved mechanism. To put it simply, at different nodes, we will let you select one which needs help from numerous health causes. Use our fortune to subsidize its development. Further facilitate better construction of health facilities and achieve the effect of providing sports venue and environment for us. It's a sustainable health circulation model. Accordingly, our system is known as the Global Big Data Health Training System of Fortune Sharing. Under such circulated development, we will have more health facilities around us, and our exercise bases will be built around the world, thus more effectively boosting and encouraging our subconsciousness driving force plus of wanting to exercise. Currently, users can use special Mint pedometer app to calculate steps and convert them into Mint. In addition, users can invite friends to participate in healthy walking. In order to motivate people to exercise, we built an all-people walking incentive program with the concept of all mankind health, which makes people to earn money through global big data health training system of fortune sharing while checking daily steps, distance, consumed calories and fat, thus staying healthy constantly. Let's enter into a healthy and profitable new era. We use exercise to gain health, earn fortune with health, and then build favorable environment for exercise with fortune. Bringing benefit to social health cause is to benefit your own future. Our global big data health training system of fortune sharing is not created to earn money, but for the sake of mankind's full health development. Such circulation is the most reasonable solution of creating health and fortune, and the golden key to Fortune Code, which is the most suitable for human long-term sustainable development at present.